we are kicking things off with major global moves. Mercedes-Benz Korea CEO Matthias Vadel is setting sights on a massive expansion, announcing that the brand will pick Seoul as the location for its fifth global brand studio. This is a huge step for the company, and we dive into what this means for the future of luxury automotive design in Korea. Ruling for academic integrity and institutional governance. And finally, get ready for a spectacle. Humanoid robot monks are making a stunning entrance at Seoul's Lotus Lantern Festival parade, highlighting Buddhism's exciting push to engage youth through modern technology and AI. Join us now as we cover all these breaking stories and bring you the full picture. Mercedes-Benz has announced the establishment of its fifth global brand studio, strategically located in Seoul, South Korea. This significant expansion marks a deepening commitment by the German luxury automaker to the Asian market. The new studio is situated in Seongsudong, an area known for its contemporary design and cultural vibrancy in eastern Seoul. The announcement was highlighted by Mercedes-Benz Korea CEO Matthias Vadel, who was photographed in front of the Mercedes-Benz studio on May 18. The visual presence of the studio underscores the brand's focus on local relevance while maintaining its global standards for design and engineering. This move signals Mercedes-Benz's continued investment in the Korean automotive landscape, aiming to enhance brand engagement and tailor its offerings to the sophisticated tastes of the region. The studio will serve as a hub for creative endeavors, showcasing the latest in Mercedes-Benz design and innovation to a broader audience. Seoul's stock market staged a significant rebound on Monday, recovering from a sharp downturn as investors aggressively bought into major semiconductor companies, including market leader Samsung Electronics. The local currency also strengthened against the US dollar during the session. The benchmark Korea Composite Stock Price Index, or KOSPI, managed to gain 22.86 points, marking a 0.31% increase, closing at 7,516.04. The market had experienced choppy trading following a significant drop on Friday, where the index fell by over 6%, driven by heavy foreign sell-offs in technology stocks and growing concerns over inflation amid the ongoing Middle East tensions. Initial trading saw investors tracking declines from Wall Street last week, exacerbated by rising global bond yields and inflationary pressures. The KOSPI initially continued its decline in early trading, dropping as low as 7,142.71, representing a decline of about 5% at one point, which prompted the exchange operator to activate a 5-minute sell-side sidecar program. However, the index reversed course later in the day. This recovery was primarily supported by strong performance in large-cap chip stocks. The positive momentum followed a development where a district court partially accepted Samsung Electronics' request for an injunction aimed at blocking a planned strike scheduled for later in the week. Samsung Electronics surged by 3.88%, closing at 281,001 after an opening drop. SK Hynix also posted gains, rising by 1.15% to reach 1,840,001. Meanwhile, the Korean won appreciated, trading at 1,500.31 against the US dollar at 3:30 p.m., up 0.51 from the previous session. A Seoul court has ruled that the dismissal of a Seoul National University professor for plagiarism was lawful, according to reports from the Korea Jung-Ang Daily. The decision marks a significant legal outcome in the academic sphere. Meanwhile, the university continues its scheduled activities. Seoul National University is set to host its matriculation ceremony on February 25th at its main gate in Gwanak District, southern Seoul. Seoul, South Korea humanoid robot monks added a striking, modern dimension to the annual Lotus Lantern Festival parade, underscoring a significant effort by Buddhism to engage younger generations through contemporary technology and artificial intelligence. The robot monk, named Gabai and developed by South Korea's Joji Order, participated alongside thousands of attendees, bowing to spectators and marching through central Seoul amidst the vibrant displays of traditional lotus lanterns. The appearance of Gabai was explicitly intended to symbolize the movement to bridge ancient spiritual traditions with modern technological advancements. The event, known as the Yeonjungho Festival and recognized by UNESCO as an intangible cultural heritage, drew massive crowds celebrating peace, hope, and unity ahead of the Buddha's birthday celebrations. Organizers emphasized that this integration of robotics aims to make Buddhist teachings more accessible and relevant to contemporary youth audiences.